Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Is yogurt fattening? Today let us see the goodness in yogurt, its benefits with a simple recipe. Let us begin. Yogurt nourishes with a generous amount of calcium and protein as well as vitamin B and minerals like potassium, phosphorus and magnesium. Fattening depends upon calories required by an individual in their daily diets. Milk fermented with bacteria like LACTOBACILLUS, BULGARICUS and STREPTOCOCCUS thermophilus, which are also known as probiotics, brew up yogurt. Probiotics helps in supporting digestion and researchers suggest it boosts the functioning of the immune system. Now let us see how yogurt is right for you. Yogurt contains nearly every nutrient that the human body requires. It is rich in calcium, which is helpful for teeth and bones. It contains vitamin B12 and riboflavin that protects against heart diseases. Yogurt provides a high amount of protein which supports metabolism by increasing energy expenditure. Probiotics in yogurt helps to lower the uncomfortable symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome and it reduces inflammation. It may also reduce the incidence, duration and severity of common colds. Different types of yogurt are available in which Greek yogurt is very high in protein which helps reduce appetite and controls weight. Probiotics reduces the symptoms of common gastrointestinal disorders such as bloating, diarrhea and constipation. Yogurt appears to benefit the heart condition by advancing HDL cholesterol and lowering blood pressure. Since it is high in protein, it improves the overall diet and helps with weight management. It may harm to those who are lactose intolerant or have milk allergies. However, make sure to choose yogurt wisely. Unsweetened varieties that contain probiotics are advisable and does not aid in fattening, but provide optimal health benefits. Now let us see a simple and healthy recipe of apple yogurt bowl. Please note down the ingredients. You need low-fat Greek yogurt, half cup. Chopped apple, half cup, honey 1 teaspoon, cinnamon powder 1/4 teaspoon and raisins 1 tablespoon. Now see how to prepare it. Add all the ingredients into a bowl. And mix well. Healthy apple yogurt bowl is ready to serve. I hope the information on yogurt is beneficial for you and may include the simple recipe in your daily breakfast and remain healthy. Thank you.